Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I told you guys I would be doing this video today, so here it is. I'm so excited to open this up. I love smoky eyes, so I'm so excited to do this. For anyone that doesn't know, this is one of the giveaway palettes, and I wanted one too. So Zach got me one. He knew I wanted one, so he surprised me and got me one. I love Jerseylicious and smoky eyes, and I used to be all into smoky eyes. So I am so excited to play with this and how I'm gonna look, because I have not done a smoky eye in a long time. But before we get into this, for anyone who doesn't know, we are doing a giveaway. It lasts till November 18th. One of our giveaway items will be this palette. And if you go look at the giveaway video, it's this palette and the Bye Birdie palette with some Morphe brushes for your eyes, so to go with that, and the Soul palette. So if you guys didn't know about the giveaway and you want to get in on it, go to the giveaway video and it will give you all the info that you need to do the giveaway correctly. And also, if you guys have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And I love all my subscribers, and I appreciate you guys so much, and all the subscribing and the likes. I love you guys so much. And if you guys like this video, at the end of this video, or even in the middle of the video, give it a like. And you're going to want to hit that notification bell if you want to see more of my videos and you want to know more info about the giveaway and future giveaways, because right after this giveaway, once we hit 250, which we are so close, we will be doing another giveaway. So I am so excited about that. So let's get into it. I want to do the swatches. So this is Young Love. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. This one, ooh, this is nice and buttery. This one is Smokin' and then Stone Face. So here's Smokin' and here's Stone Face. Oh my gosh, I am so freaking excited. Oh my gosh. Yes. These are they're beautiful. Slated, Starstruck, and Ignite. Okay. Slated, Starstruck, Ignite. Did you just see what I did? Y'all saw the swatch before that. Oh my gosh. Hello, Starstruck. Ooh. I know they're just like gray and silver, but they're so gorgeous. Let's do it. Full Metal and Night Dream. Let's do it. Full Metal. Ooh, it's like a metallic, like a metally, like grayish black, and Night Dream. Yes, look at that, minus that mistake right there, but oh my gosh. Let's get into this and let's start playing, shall we? So I'm going to do something different for my brow bone highlight. I'm going to go in with Young Love, which was that very, very, very white in the palette. Ooh, hello. That's pigmented, you guys. That is so very pigmented. You just want to blend that in. Guys, I'm in love. I'm in love. Young love. I'm not so young though. I'm 33. I'm going to put it on my inner corner as well. You know, make it pop. I'm using like a flat shader brush. I've kind of found that that works as well as a, I love that, as a flat brush. It's still a flat type of brush, you know, right? Okay. So I'm going to take my beautiful fluffy brush and I'm going to go into Stone Face right there. Guys, I'm in love. Oh my gosh, Colourpop seriously never fails me. Never. I love this gray. I think this is going to make my green eyes pop. It's going to make them pop. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I feel like the old Robin coming back out, but with eyebrows. Anybody that knows me would know. All I would just have is just one pencil eyebrow. I'm seriously about to show you guys. I'm really seriously thinking about doing a video and showing you guys how I used to do my makeup before I got better at it. And then I'm going to go into Ignite, which is the next gray color. I like to start off with a lighter shade to a like little bit deeper shade. Ooh, hello, smoky eyes. Oh my gosh. Yes. My husband is going to laugh at me when we edit this video tomorrow. I'm obsessed. I'm freaking obsessed. And I know I say obsessed all the time and my husband makes fun of me for it. Then I'm going to go into Slated, which is that gray right there. It's like a darker one. Oh my gosh. And then if you want to blend a little bit more, you get a clean fluffy brush and just blend it a little bit more. Okay, I seriously love how this gray looks. But I'm going to go a tiny bit into Night Dream to just darken it up just a little bit. Oh yeah. And then I want to go into Smokin' and put that on my outer lid. Do you know what I just realized I didn't do? But I'm freaking lucky so far. I did not. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, baby. I did not put powder underneath my eyes like I planned to do. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this so much. Then I'm going to take Starstruck, which is this beautiful silver. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't even have to pop my finger on it. I feel like if I pop my finger on it, it might be way too intense. Wow, I love that. Smokini, that's what it is. Smokini. I'm saying it wrong. Smokini. Guys, I am so in love. Okay, I'm going to put Stone Face. Yeah. Stone Face, Slated, and Ignite all under my under eye. I am going to pop it on my finger just a little bit, even though there's no need. Let's just see how crazy this can get. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, guys. I love that. I'm going to do my liner and lashes, and I will be right back. But I feel so smoky, so Jerseylicious. I love it. And with it done, it's gonna look so good. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Ooh, this is the final look. I added some, I got this from my BoxyLux 1 month, like the BoxyLux before the one that's in December, which I'm so excited for. The Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I just put some of that in my hair and just amped up my hair a little bit because, you know, in Jerseylicious, they all have the big hair and they're all about it. So I had to do it. Had to amp up this look. I seriously love this palette, you guys. The smoky eye used to be like my thing. I used to wear it all the time. And I don't know why I stopped wearing it. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like this? Are you guys excited to possibly be the winner to win the palette just like this? Let me know. I'm seriously in love. I'm so glad that they made this palette, and I wonder if a lot of the girls off of Jerseylicious ordered this same palette and was like, oh my gosh, all of my colors are in one palette. You know, not making fun of them. I seriously love Jerseylicious. So, but seriously, guys, these palettes are $12 a piece. So worth it. I love these. Colourpop, Colourpop.com. Love them. This is where you can get it. Colourpop.com. $12. Affordable, but the quality is just boom in your face. I freaking love it. How you doing? So guys, if you guys love this palette, the giveaway has this palette in it. So go to that giveaway video, you guys, and figure out how to enter. It's so amazing. I love it. I hope you guys love it and you love everything in the giveaway. And I hope you guys loved this video and just my excitement for this palette and to do the smoky eye again. So excited. I've not done a true smoky eye in such a very long time. And also, guys, if you guys liked this video, go ahead and like it. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so it'll let you guys know when my next video is. Guys, I love you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think I'm about to go watch some Jerseylicious right now. Bye.